DELTA-NP drain, the most effective solution to protect the underground parts of buildings. When protection measures are not taken on foundation walls, the subterranean surfaces of the building are secured against dampness by waterproofing layers. Yet, no waterproofing system can exist without effective protection against mechanical impacts. When no protection measures are taken to protect especially the waterproofing materials on foundation walls, the insulation is going to be damaged during the backfilling operation. Consequently, even the best waterproofing layer cannot fulfill its duty if, for instance, it is damaged by sharp-edged rocks during backfilling. This can also occur during and after the ground settling. Thus, the foundation wall dampens. The reinforcing steel of the foundation walls will be corroded and cause structural damage when exposed to the constant flow of below-grade water. Inefficient measures on foundation walls. If cavities are formed on the materials used as insulation protection, the water build-up against the subterranean surfaces will be exposed to a great risk in this respect. This occurs fairly frequently where XPS boards are concerned. The cracks and gaps caused by backfilling and the junctions of these boards form passages for water seepage. In that case, due to the selection of unsuitable protection measures, the building and the insulation will be permanently exposed to water pressure and weaken against such dangers as earthquakes, frost, and the like. The water will inevitably penetrate the construction walls. Water and moisture coming from the soil damage the cellar walls and cause a damp and unhealthy interior environment. Foundation wall protection and drainage. DELTA-NP drain geocomposite drainage sheet can be easily laid from the roll. When DELTA-NP drain is installed, non-permeable materials, for example those removed during the excavation, can be used as backfilling. Thanks to its heat-bonded polypropylene geotextile layer providing superb filtering performance, DELTA-NP drain forms a seepage layer for the vertical and horizontal drainage of water and soil moisture while offering hydrostatic pressure relief. The rot-proof geotextile is highly water permeable and prevents blocking of the flow of passages in the drainage core. DELTA-NP drain is used over the perimeter insulation where cellars are designed as living quarters. As a drainage system, DELTA-NP drain is an easy, reliable and especially cost-efficient solution to protect below-standard structures from water. DELTA-NP drain installation. The geotextile filtration layer of DELTA-NP drain should always face the soil to keep the dimple structure from being blocked and ensure that the water flows down towards the drainage pipe. Delta Grip Fastener. At least 4 self-adhesive Delta Grip fasteners should be used per square meter to facilitate the installation of DELTA-NP drain drainage sheets. When used with the perimeter insulation, first the perimeter insulation, then DELTA-NP drain sheets are fastened to the Delta Grip fasteners. Delta MS Profile. Delta MS Profile serves to protect the upper edge of drainage sheets from dirt and mud. Delta Profiles have arranged to suit all insulation thicknesses to 100 millimeters. Horizontal applications. DELTA-NP drain is also ideal for protecting the horizontal surfaces such as paved ceilings of underground parking lots, terraces and flat garden roofs from water seepage. DELTA-NP drain. The easiest way of draining the water away from below-grade structures. Delta NP drain. The easiest way of draining the water away from below-grade structures. Delta NP drain. The easiest way of draining the water away from below-grade structures.